Good morning, guys. It's another day in the Matrix. Another day. I'm here with my daughter. Mama, how are you? Alright, guys. I am gonna fix this up because Lula lives over there and this is her in this. So I'm gonna fix this up real quick, guys. Alright, guys. Just finished cleaning. Look at this, guys. A lot more spacious. All the leaves are gone. Backyard is looking nice. Looking nice. Alright, guys. Back with Connor. What's going on, Connor?
Guys, we're sitting in traffic because a truck over there freaking flipped and killed 20 people. That shit's fucked. Look, the cop literally blocked off the whole road. We'd be better if we went straight and took a left. Oh my god, we're gonna be the next.
Oh my god, are we? Back in the shop now, finally, after that crazy accident. Went around it, of course. Connor wrapping A, B, and C pillars. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Guys, every day is something new. Every day is something new, guys. The real bad boy is here, though, guys. I present y'all the Pikachu fucking Lancer. Peep this shit. A fucking V2. Shit's older than your fucking dad. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Custom exhaust cutout. Man. Look at those speakers, dude. Custom wiring. He did it himself. Hell yeah. Bro, he's got a fucking ignition coil, guys, on his exhaust system. What are your thoughts on this car?
I think it's pretty cool.
We're going to be doing this bad boy on it, guys. So, Pikachu Lancer. Alright. While Connor's doing that, though, I'm going to finish taking this car apart. Bitch, the mirror just came off.
Like, the right way?
I don't know. Which chair?
The white one.
Which I don't know how to take off.
Was your clip of our Mitsubishi Lancer?
Oh.
Bro, Pablo,
Yo.
have you ever been fucking with a girl and she has one of those best friends and the best friend's like, if you break her heart, I'll kill you. Their friend always says that bullshit, bro. And then they don't do shit when I cheat on them.
Wow.
Not saying
Wow.
that cheating's good. That was fucked up. I just find it funny that they always say they're gonna do shit and they never do shit.
I can never do that to a female. That just breaks my heart, hearing another man talking about cheating. Guys. New cards. Boom, just like that. Then we just repeat all around. Alright, guys, so we do have all the clips off. Everything is off now. The headliner is ready to come out. Connor is finishing up. Look at that. Look at how fast that was. That was like 20 minutes ago and he's already wrapped all these. Basically wrapped them all. We are gonna wrap the sun visors. But yeah, guys, I'm about to take out the headliner now. Alright, guys, and just like that, the headliner is out. Headliner is out. Bitch, his roof is about to come apart. Alright, boom, and just like that, we got everything organized once again. Car is taken out. I think I am gonna back it out now that we're done with it. We're in the fucking Hellcat. Is it the Toyota key? Is that how you start it?
Is it dead?
car out already. It's looking real nice out here in the sun. Now, I'm gonna be removing this little fabric. Guys, where my vacuum? Dude, you think I could return that? Come on, bro. All right, we're at Dollar Tree.
$5.
All right, we're here for brushes, guys. Don't talk to me, whore.
There is no point in stealing from Dollar Tree.
But yeah, guys. Currently, it's been a good day. And just like that, guys, in 13 seconds, we made it to AutoZone.
Whoa. Yo. All right, you think this will work?
I don't know.
All right, guys. You're going to fall because once I turn on the turbo, once the turbo kicks in. Guys, the turbo kicked in.
Back at the shop now, so.
You can use
Guys, so it's currently 5 o'clock. We got Pikachu down.
Mac and cheese.
Alright, guys. It's 11 o'clock at night. Cars out here.
And we also did the columns. We wrapped all the columns for the first time. We've never done that before. So we wrapped all the columns in suede.
But yeah, guys. Install came out fire. Pikachu came out fire. Can't even lie, probably our best one yet. But yeah, guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. We might get some videos we might go to my pool to get some videos, but if not, guys, until tomorrow, and it's been another day in the Matrix.
Oh, did we put it on that?
I'm watching the video right now.